In content creation, one of the things that is always going to hit us at some point or another is audio issues with echoing. This can work fine 1 minute and then some change happened, a Windows update or something, and then something changes and then you get the echo to come back. Luckily, in many cases, this can actually be a pretty simple fix. The first thing you want to do if you're live and this is happening, that's actually beneficial to help you figure this out, because you can ask your viewers, hey, okay, where's the echo? Is it just my voice or is it everything in the stream? So if they're hearing everything in the stream, the game audio, your voice, then most times you may have your stream up in another tab somewhere. Or remember, if you also have the Twitch dashboard, for example, with your stream in it, if you have enabled the audio at some point, you can hear that as well. And if you can hear it in most cases, your viewers are going to hear it too. So you'll hear either a distinct echo. Sometimes it sounds like a robotic sound. When it's a robotic sound, generally that means it's an echo still, but it's just really close together. And it echoes so close together and there's so little latency that it sounds like a robot. So first things first, double check and make sure you don't have your stream open anywhere else on any device, your computer around that has audio. Be sure to disable that audio in that tab. So if people tell you it's not everything in the stream, you've double checked that and it's just your voice, that means there's something going on with your microphone situation. So we first want to double check some things in OBS. So if you'll go to File, Settings, and then Audio. On your global audio devices, what we want to do here is we're going to go ahead and disable everything across the board. Now, I typically have everything disabled because I like to micromanage everything by scene. But in most people's cases, you're going to want all of that disabled, and then you're going to change this one option to your actual microphone. I'm not going to do that for mine in this situation, but hard set that to your actual microphone. Do not set it to default, because especially in the Windows world, whenever there's an update or something, it can get confused and change your microphone to some virtual device or something else. So it's always good to hard set it to whatever your actual microphone is in this section right here, and then click apply after you do that. Now, after we've done that, keep in mind that we're looking for a second microphone somehow that's picking up our voice a second time. In many cases, when you have a webcam, let's say popular Logitech webcams, they also have a built-in microphone. So you may, in most cases, have a situation where you have your actual stream microphone, but then you also have your webcam microphone that you don't realize is on is actually also picking up audio and duplicating that. So we want to find in your sources in OBS, the camera object, right click it and go to properties. Now this particular one I have doesn't have a microphone built into it, but if yours does, many do, there will be a checkbox somewhere around here for audio, and you want to uncheck that box to use audio, because you don't want to use the audio or enable it for your webcam. If that's the case, go ahead, uncheck it, and then click OK. Another thing to check could be your audio monitor setting in your audio mixer. So what we want to do is go here, find your microphone object. For me, it's named Mic Aux. Yours may be named differently. Click the three dots. Advanced Audio Properties is where we're going. Now in here, monitor audio is for if you want to hear everything your audience is hearing. You'll enable the monitor so that you can hear it in your headphones. However, if you already have a desktop audio source, like most of us do, you are already hearing everything that your audience is hearing. So if you have monitor enabled plus output, then that means you're duplicating that. So what we want to do is we want to go set the monitor to off on these items, especially the microphone. This is also a way to see if there are any other audio sources that could be causing this trouble. Then we'll close that. So finally, let's say the duplicated audio echo is coming from your game audio only. First things first, we need to figure out how you're capturing your audio. In most cases, people are using a capture card. So we want to go to the same place we did earlier, Audio Mixer, and we want to find our capture card's audio source. For me, it's HD60X audio. It'll be different for each person, whatever it is. It may just say HD60X or however it's named for whatever capture card you have. We're going to go in this same place, click the three dots, click Advanced Audio Properties, just like we did earlier. Now we need to figure out how you are hearing the game audio yourself. Now, if you can have OBS closed and you can still hear the game audio that is being captured when you have your headphones on, then you need to find the object and you need to turn the monitor to off because it's already being captured on your desktop audio if that's the case. That's kind of a rare circumstance, but just know if you're using whatever dashboard or other software that pipes the audio into your desktop audio for you, then you don't need to monitor it. In many cases though, what we're going to have, the audio source, you cannot hear the game until you monitor it. So what we want to do is if this is set to monitor an output, that's duplicating it because of the desktop audio. We want to change that to monitor only. That way we can just hear it that one time and then it goes out through the monitor and output to your stream. Again, that's only if you cannot hear audio from your capture card by default. So there are many sources of echoes. That's a lot of them that will help you figure that out. This wasn't meant to be going through everything because everyone's audio setup is going to be completely different. So check all of those things. Remember little things. Let's say if you have a gaming headset, remember that that is another Bluetooth microphone, for example, that's on there. Check that, make sure that's not being duplicated somewhere. And remember that many times you can go into that audio mixer in OBS and find an echo that way, like we showed you for those last two items. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can just let me know in the comments below. You can find a little bit of everything that I do on the side at classiccaleb.pro. I've got a lot of different hobbies stuff, whether that's gaming, podcast, and more. Thanks.